Hello, what is good? So, I'm going to be talking about the Olivia Miller emoji book bag, backpack, whatever you prefer. First of all, the reason why I purchased this in the first place, I needed something that can fit pretty much a lot of my belongings in, especially when you're traveling. You worry about if you misplaced something. Did I lose it? Where's this? Where's that? Where's my wallet? Where's my purse? Where's my phone? I was tired of holding, more than one thing in my hand and just worried about if I was gonna, drop it or break it or whatever. So, as I thought about it, I actually ran into this. And I'm happy that I did. It was so weird, I was thinking about, purchasing one, or I remember saying I really should have purchased something like a book bag or whatever, backpack, to take with me, so I don't have to worry about that. Now I was like, oh my god, this book bag is cool. The emoji face, it describes my personality too. Like, I love it. And as you can see, the shades have like glitter on it. And you see how the cute little smirk. I'm just gonna sum it up. It's cool. This book bag is not too big, but what I can say is did its job as far as putting things in it. Like, if you have like an iPad mini or something, you can put in the front part right here and it fit perfectly. I had my iPad mini. Did I take it? I don't think I took it. Did I? Yeah, I think I know. Well, you can put this in here, as you can see, and you can put a book in there inside of it as well. What I had inside was like Ziploc bags, lotion, my medication, all that. So it was a pretty good space in here. It's really spaceable, as you can see. Let me see if I can. Yep, as you can see, some good space all down here. And then in here, some good space too. And then brand name, Olivia Miller. And then it has a small pocket in here as well, as you can see. So yeah, I fit some things in here. I have my all white kicks in here, and I have my affirmations inside, some of my other medication in there, some lotion, makeup, hair products, a flat iron. Yeah, I had it all in there. And once I took that stuff out, I just used it for, when I had just needed like a towel in there and water bottle, having a good workout and whatever. This definitely did its job, and it definitely worked for me. It's adorable, it's cute. I know they have other emoji faces as well. If I can remember, I think it had like the big smile emoji and the heart face emoji, the heart's eyes. But I wanted this one. Probably might get another one. Maybe the one that smiles real hard. That one's adorable. So, and on the back, see, you got the straps here and here. It's adjustable. It's really adjustable. It's like that. But yeah, so if you are looking for, like a cool book bag, backpack, well, it said handbag collection, try the Olivia Miller one. What happened to me as far as with the smell, it probably most likely many blessings sent out to you that you don't have the same problem as me. I think it was just the paper that was inside of it. And I can understand that it was just trying to keep it fluffy, or how sometimes people put paper and stuff in it to secure it or whatever. But yeah, once I washed it out, it was good to go. I fell in love with this book bag when I saw it. I just was trying to figure out how the heck I was going to smell out, but I did. But yeah, if you looking for something cute, emoji faces, try the Olivia Miller handbag collection.